So I just stumbled upon this library called Bonsai that's all about building state machines. Like, how cool is that?
Wait, what exactly is a state machine? I've heard the term, but it sounds really abstract.
Right? It's basically a model that represents different states an application can be in and how it transitions between them. Makes sense for anything interactive.
Got it, so bonsai helps you manage those state transitions incrementally. That's pretty clever. But why is that important?
Good question. Incremental updates can lead to better performance since you're not re-rendering everything all at once. It's like saving time.
That's true, but does it mean you have to think differently about how you structure your code?
Absolutely. It can feel a bit like puzzle solving, figuring out how to break down your app into manageable pieces.
That sounds fun, but also challenging. I wonder if it has a learning curve or if it's user-friendly for newcomers.
From what I read, there are examples and components to help ease that transition. They even have a whole section for testing.
Testing is crucial. It makes me think about reliability. What if the state machine messes up? Like that could be a nightmare.
Exactly, they have a specific library called Bonsai Test for that. It's designed to catch any hiccups early on.
Wow, that's reassuring. But does it handle complex UIs well? You know, the kind that changes frequently.
Actually, there's Bonsai Web for that. It's tailored to create interactive web UIs using Bonsai's principles.
Ah, so it's like they're addressing multiple layers of complexity. I'm curious how that impacts performance.
That's a key point. They claim it boosts efficiency, but it's worth diving into benchmarks to see actual results.
Benchmarks are a great way to gauge effectiveness. Do they provide any specific examples?
Yes, there's a Bonsai Bench library that allows you to test performance specifically. Pretty handy.
I like that idea. But do you think there are limitations to using bonsai for all types of projects?
For sure, while it's powerful for interactive applications, it might be overkill for simpler projects.
That makes sense. I guess it's all about choosing the right tool for the job, right?
Exactly, and it's fascinating how the right approach can change your development experience.
What do you think would be a good starting point for someone new to bonsai?
I'd recommend checking out the Bonsai examples first. Real-world applications are always the best teachers.
That's a solid tip. I'm really intrigued by how all these components fit together.
Yeah, it's like building a house with different parts, and each piece needs to work in harmony.
And if one piece is off, it could impact everything else. That's a good analogy.
Totally, plus, I love how it encourages developers to think critically about state management.
I agree. It seems like a great way to deepen understanding of application flow.
But still, I wonder if there are risks of overcomplicating things with such a structured approach.
Yeah, it could create inertia where developers hesitate to make changes. That's a valid concern.
So balance is crucial. You want to leverage the structure without getting bogged down.
Right, it's going to be interesting to see how the community evolves around bonsai.
Definitely, I think it'll attract more developers looking for efficient ways to manage state.
And who knows, maybe they'll come up with even more innovative tools or libraries in the future.
Exactly, it's all about learning from each other and pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
I'll keep an eye on bonsai for sure. It's always exciting to see new tech breakthroughs.
Same here, it makes me curious about how we can apply such concepts in other fields too.
Totally. It could even impact things like game development or robotics. The possibilities are endless.
Exactly, and that kind of versatility makes it even more appealing. What a discovery.
For sure, I'm definitely walking away with a lot to think about regarding state management.
And isn't that the best part? There's always something new to learn and explore.
Absolutely. Can't wait to see how bonsai evolves and what other developers create with it.